This is the installation video for the Rampage Adjustable Cowl cover with light mount. The tools you will need for the installation are socket wrench, Torx sockets, provided Allen wrenches. Step 1. Starting on the left driver's side, remove the 4 factory bolts holding the cowl panel to the vehicle. Remove the 4 factory bolts. Bolt number 1, bolt number 2, bolt number 3, and bolt number 4. Step 2. Place large spacers in top bolt recesses. Step 3. Locate driver left cowl light mount. Place one 8mm Allen bolt with 8mm flat washer through rear side mounting hole. Place one small spacer on bolt. Bolt assembly to the rear side mounting hole in the cowl. Step 4. Place one 8mm Allen bolt with 8mm flat washer through from side mounting hole. Place one small spacer on bolt. Line up bolt with appropriate hole in cowl panel and hand tighten bolt. Do not fully tighten at this time. Step 5. Install 6mm Allen bolts with 6mm flat washers at top mounting holes, through the large spacers and into the body. Leave hand tight. Step 6. Adjust light mount and tighten all hardware. Step 7. Install and adjust light in slot. The slot allows for a wide range of light positions and configurations. Multiple lights can be mounted, or a light can be mounted on top. Then loosened and slid down to allow the windshield to fold down without complete removal of the light. Step 8. Repeat steps 1 through 7 on passenger right side. 2018 plus Jeep Wrangler JL and Jeep Wrangler JLU Unlimited. Rampage Adjustable Cowl cover with light mount.